Hello guys and welcome back to a brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the exporting errors of Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically in this video I was going to follow these article, and from here we will find some solution. So basically in exporting is essential steps, etc. Those are just some explanation about exporting. And basically, one of the fixes that you will need to try is restarting your computer. Sometimes it's only some conflicts in the software, etc. And restarting your computer might really help. And basically, you need just to go here, go and restart your computer, and then reopen your Filmora, and then you will be needing like to go to export, and see if the problem is going to persist or if it is solved. Otherwise, you can try like to start changing in your preferences or in your settings, and you can simply do that like by going either from edit or file. So in my case, I have it in file. You might find it in edit, and you will go to preferences, and from there you will find editing and performance. So basically here, as you can see, you will be needing like to uncheck the enable hardware acceleration. It really depends on your Filmora option or Filmora version. In my case, I have it in performance. So basically here you can disable the hardware acceleration, because sometimes if your GPU is not compatible, or if your GPU is not working like very well, like it has some drivers that are not working or outdated, etc., that might be the problem. So just try for now to disable it, and basically click on apply, restart your Filmora, and basically you will have your problem fixed. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.